Hello friends, my name is Here and I am from SR English Medium School. Today I am doing a science experiment of acidic solution and basic solution. So this is common salt solution, lemon juice, vinegar, detergent liquid solution, baking soda solution, washing powder solution, dishwash soap, normal soap, earbuds, blue litmus paper, red litmus paper and water. To check whether the solution are basic in nature or acidic in nature, we use red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. When we dip red litmus paper into the basic solution, it turns into blue color, which means the solution is basic in nature. And when we dip blue litmus paper into the acidic solution, it turns into red color, which means the solution is acidic in nature. So now I am taking the common salt solution. Now I am taking red litmus paper and dip in it. There is no color change in red litmus paper. There is also no color change in blue litmus paper. So that means the solution is neutral in nature. Now I am taking the lemon juice and now red litmus paper. It does not changes the color. And now blue litmus paper. It changes the color into red, which means the lemon juice is acidic in nature. Now I am taking vinegar, red litmus paper and dip into it. It has no change in color. Now blue litmus paper. It is changed to the red color, which means the solution is acidic in nature. Now I am taking the detergent liquid solution, taking red litmus paper and dip it. It changes into blue color, which means it is basic in nature. Now to blue color. It does not change any color of blue litmus paper, so it is basic in nature. Now I am taking baking soda solution and red litmus paper. It does not change the color of red litmus paper. Now blue litmus paper. It does not change the color of blue litmus paper also. So it changes the color of red litmus paper into blue, so it is basic. Now I am taking the washing powder solution, red litmus paper. It is changing into blue, so it is basic in nature. And now blue color litmus paper. It does not change any color of blue litmus paper, so it is basic. Now I am taking an earbud and dip into water and taking red litmus paper here, and I am rubbing earbud in dishwash soap and rub it in red litmus paper. it is changing it into blue color, which means this is basic. And I am doing the same with the blue litmus paper. And there is no color change, so it is basic. Now I am doing the same with the normal soap with red litmus paper. Here is my normal soap. Now rubbing in red litmus paper. It is turning to blue, which means it basic. And same with the blue litmus paper. It has no color change, which means it is basic in nature. So the final result of my experiment is common salt solution is neutral, lemon juice acidic, vinegar acidic, detergent liquid solution basic, baking soda solution basic, washing powder solution basic, dishwash soap basic, soap basic.